Hi guys, wish you all a very happy Diwali. So today I'm gonna share a glow up skincare routine for this festive season. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with cleaning up my face. I have applied the sunscreen. To remove that, I'm gonna use this Bioderma Sensi Bio H2O micellar water. It's perfect for people who have acne prone and sensitive skin. It cleans the excess oil perfectly. Then I'm gonna use this Cetaphil Bright Healthy Radiance Wala cleanser. This one is really amazing. It foams really well. It gives you that squeaky clean wala feel without drying out your face. So if you're a person who are afraid of using foaming cleansers because they strip natural oils and they make your face dry, this doesn't. Okay, so you can try this one out. It's really amazing and I just love this one. Then I'm gonna wash it off and then I'm gonna pat it dry. Then I'm gonna use this Real Mungward clay mask by Isn't Tree. It's really amazing. ये आपके texture को smooth करता है and if you have any irritation or redness उसको बहुत अच्छे से calm down कर देता है. Texture is very light. ये बहुत instantly dry हो जाता है आपके skin पे. So I'm gonna keep it for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna remove this with the help of this cotton pad, and once you remove this you do feel your texture is refined. And after washing this off, I'm gonna use a treatment. For that I'm gonna use this lactic acid serum by the Formula RX. It's their air brush facial. इसका मैंने recently review share किया है. So of course we need glow, and for that I need something which can exfoliate my skin and makes the skin super glowy, and this does really help in doing that. So that's why I love using this one, and I use this one only twice a week, not more than that. And then I'm gonna use a eye cream. Here I'm using this Advanced Nail Peptide Eye Cream by CosRx. It's in a gel cream based consistency. It's quite hydrating on the skin, and as you can see the glow is already coming. To boost this glow I'm gonna use this Snail Power Essence by CosRx. I love using this one whenever I'm doing my chemical exfoliation because it soothes my skin down. And then I'm gonna use another essence. This one is by Skin Food Ka Propolis Essence. Now I love using this one because it has anti-inflammatory properties as well, and as you can see I'm breaking out a lot these days. And after this I'm gonna use a serum, and for the serum I'm gonna use this Purito Ka unscented serum. Now this got centella, niacinamide, peptides and ceramides. It's help in soothe the skin out, and that's why I prefer using this one. Or to be very honest, I just wanted to finish this off, that's why I add this one. So after serum I'm gonna use a moisturizer, and here I'm using this Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one cream, and you guys know I love this one. It's my holy grail. I use this one every time whenever I'm doing my chemical exfoliation. Like, these nail products work wonderfully on my skin after chemical exfoliation, and you can see the glow. It's already there. So ऐसे तो मुझे Formula RX का Barrier Relief Moisturizer लगाना था, but I thought let's try this one out today. So I'm gonna seal the all goodness with this Indulgio Ka Squalane. It's very light weighted, as you can see. It's dropping down, but it's hydrate your skin really well. So yeah, I love using this one. Then I'm gonna use this lip mask by Klavu. It's really nourishing and it gives you very nice glow, and I love that glow. So yeah, that is it. You can see my skin is glowing. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care and stay beautiful. Bye.